Fix KB5060533 install error in Windows 11. Troubleshoot update issues, corrupted files, or system conflicts. Solution 1. Turn off Windows Firewall temporarily first. Search for Windows Firewall. Open Windows Defender Firewall. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off now. Select Turn off Windows Defender Firewall for both private and public networks. Then click OK. Solution 2. Run Windows Update Batch. File search for Notepad and open it. Copy the full command from the video description and paste it into Notepad. Click on File, then Save As. Choose a location to save. For Save as Type, select All Files. Name the file wupdate.bat. Click Save. Now go to the file you saved, right-click on it, and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Then type Y and press Enter. Solution 3. Run Windows Update. Troubleshooter. Search for Update Fix. Click on Find and Fix Problems with Windows Update. Click Next. Wait for the process to complete. Click on Apply this fix. Once it's done, click Close. Solution 4. Pause and resume. Windows Update. Right-click on Windows. Start. Go to Settings. Click on Windows Update. Click the drop-down menu and choose Pause for 1 week. Then click on Resume Update. Solution 5. Restart Windows Update Services. Search for Services and open it. Find and double-click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply. Then OK. Now right-click on it and select Restart. Next, find Windows Update in the same list. Double-click on it. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then OK. Right-click on Windows Update and click Restart. Finally, right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.